Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Loop, where we make smart money simple, especially for young adults who want more out of life. Today's video is for anyone who is tired of just getting by and wants to build real freedom before they turn 30, not famous. Free. Financial freedom means you don't depend on your next paycheck to survive. You make choices based on what's best, not just what you can afford. You can leave a toxic job, take a break, start a business, or travel the world. The problem, no one teaches you how to do it, but that ends today. I am going to walk you through the real steps to reach financial freedom by 30, even if you're restarting late or from zero. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your version of financial freedom. Most people chase a number, like $1 million. But financial freedom isn't a number, it's a feeling. Ask yourself, do I want to work less? Travel more? Start a business? Be debt-free and stress-free? Write down what financial freedom looks like to you, not to Instagram. Maybe for you, it's having $10,000 in savings, no debt, $1,000 per month in passive income, or the option to work part-time to find it. Because once you do, you can build a plan around it. Step 2. Know your numbers before you can break free. You need to know what's holding you back. Track these. Monthly income, monthly expenses, current savings, current debt. Your freedom number equals the amount you'd need per month to live comfortably. Example, if your monthly expenses are $2,500 and you have no debt, your freedom goal might be $2,500, month in income from any source, not just a 9-to-5. Clarity is power. Step 3. Build a low overhead lifestyle. The truth, most people can't build freedom because they spend too much trying to look free. The less money you need to live, the faster you gain freedom. Cut the fat. Live with roommates or family longer. Drive a paid-off car or use public transit. Cook instead of eating out. Cancel things you don't use. Ignore trends and focus on your goal. Simplicity equals flexibility. You can always upgrade later. Right now, you're investing in your future peace. Step 4. Pay off high interest. Debt fast. Nothing slows freedom down like credit card debt. Every dollar you owe to a lender is a dollar that can't go toward your goals. Here's how to fix it. Use the debt, snowball, or avalanche method. Focus on one debt at a time. Make extra payments as often as possible. Cut lifestyle temporarily to kill debt faster. Freedom and debt can't live in the same house. Choose one. Step 5. Build a strong safety net. You can build wealth if you constantly recovering from financial emergencies. Start with a $1,000 emergency fund, and then build 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in a high-yield savings account. This gives you the confidence to take risks, like quitting a job, moving, or starting a side hustle. Financial freedom isn't just about income, it's about stability. Step 6. Make work optional with multiple income streams here. Essay secret. One job, one team make you free. You need multiple income streams that work with or without you. Ideas, freelance work, digital products, YouTube or blogging, print-on-demand or dropshipping stores, affiliate marketing, real estate, dividend-paying stocks. Start small, build as you go. You don't need 7 streams. You need 2 to 3 that you control. Step 7. Invest aggressively in your 20s. If you want to be free by 30, you need to make your money work. Here's where to focus. Roth IRA grows tax-free for retirement. 401, especially if you get a match. Brokerage account, invest in index funds or REITs. Real estate income without owning property. Invest automatically every month, even if it's $50. The earlier you start, the less you need later. Time in the market beats timing the market, every time. Step 8. Learn skills that pay for life. One of the fastest paths to financial freedom? Learn high-income, in-demand skills. You can earn more without going back to school. Top self-taught skills in 2025 include copywriting, SEO or digital marketing, video editing or motion graphics, coding or software development, sales and persuasion, automation tools, and AI. Learn from YouTube, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, FreeCodeCamp, podcasts, and books. Skills build income. Income builds freedom. Step 9. Avoid lifestyle creep when you start earning more. The temptation is to spend more. That's how people making $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. Instead, lock in your lifestyle while you grow your income, save or invest, raises and bonuses, keep living below your means for just a few more years. It's not forever. It's a short-term sacrifice for lifelong options. Step 10. Make a 3-year freedom plan. Let's make it real. Here's how. Year 1. Get out of high-interest debt. Save your emergency fund. Start investing in building skills. Launch one income stream. Year 2. Increase income through side hustles or career upgrades. Invest monthly. Grow your savings rate. Reduce fixed expenses. Scale your secondary income stream. Year 3. Reach 3 to 6 months of emergency savings. Have at least one stream of income that can support basic bills. Build toward job optional status. Start building long-term wealth vehicles, real estate, large portfolio, etc. 3 years of discipline equals decades of options. Summary: financial freedom by 30, the real playbook. Let us recap the game plan. Define what freedom means to you. Know your numbers, income, expenses, and freedom number. Cut expenses and live lean. Eliminate high debt. Build an emergency fund. Create multiple income streams. Invest every month, even small amounts. Learn new skills that increase income. Resist lifestyle creep. Build and follow a 3-year freedom plan. Financial freedom by 30 is very real, not just for influencers or tech bros, but it takes clarity, consistency, and commitment. If this video gave you the roadmap you needed, hit that like button, subscribe to Money Loop, and share it with someone who wants to be free, not just rich. That wraps up our 8-video series on personal finance tips for young adults, but we've got more series coming soon. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need luck, you need a plan and the discipline to follow it. See you in the next video. In this journey toward financial independence, remember that every step counts. It's about building a sustainable lifestyle that aligns with your values and goals. Keep pushing forward, stay focused, and redefine success on your own terms, as it's not just about wealth, but about crafting a life of choice and freedom. By implementing the strategies outlined, you empower yourself to create lasting change, opening doors to opportunities that enrich not just your bank account, but your overall quality of life. So stay determined, keep learning, and embrace the journey. Financial freedom is attainable for everyone willing to put in the effort and maintain the commitment. Remember that financial freedom is more than just monetary gain. It's about lifestyle changes and personal empowerment. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover that every decision contributes to your long-term goals. Stay patient, remain adaptable, and celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. By focusing on your unique path and refusing to compare yourself to others, you'll create a fulfilling life, rich in experiences and freedom. So stay determined, keep learning, and embrace the journey. Financial freedom is attainable for everyone willing to put in the effort and maintain the commitment. Remember that financial freedom is more than just monetary gain. It's about lifestyle changes and personal empowerment. Happy financial travels, and we'll see you next time on Money Loop. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.